turn the lower sprinkler on.
G'day, this is Jim with Urban Self-Sufficiency. I'm going to show you how you can convert an existing sprinkler system into one that will work in a home automation system. This is a solenoid valve, and it's a valve that can fit to an existing sprinkler system, and it has a solenoid on there that controls whether that valve is open or closed to allow the sprinkler to turn on or off. To make this work, you'll need a power supply, and basically this is going to send power to the solenoid and allow it to open. In this case, I've chosen one that is correctly rated for this particular valve, which is a 24 volt power adapter. And to control all of this, I've just got a simple Wi-Fi plug adapter. So the concept is that you can connect this to your Google Home or Alexa system or whatever your smart home system of choice is, and you can create a command that will turn this power adapter on or off, and it will be off in its natural state. So you put the solenoid right after the tap and turn the tap on. So the tap's always on, but the solenoid valve is going to keep that water from going through the sprinkler system, so it's keeping it closed. And then given a command through your voice automation or using your app of choice, it'll turn the sprinkler on by sending power to the solenoid and opening and allow it to be on. We're going to take a quick look at how this gets set up, and the first thing I'm going to do is set this up in a controlled environment before I actually go and install it in the sprinkler to make sure everything works. Okay, see here I've just got it hooked up in a temporary solution with some alligator clips connecting the power to the solenoid, and I've just got a little adapter going to a normal hose to see if it works. And I've already connected the home automation system to the plug, and you can see it's working here just using the app in my Google Home, which is the one I've chosen to use.
Turn the test sprinkler on.
And then just using voice commands,
turning on
seeing
the
if that
test
will work as
sprinkler.
well. And it does, so this is perfect.
Hey Google,
It's
turn off
ready
the
to
test
be
sprinkler.
installed into my existing sprinkler system.
Hey Google, turn on the garden sprinklers. Turn off the sprinklers.
Thanks for watching.